Updating your legal business name on Artlist EO is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Artlist EO website and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your business information. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate business information. In the account settings, look for a section dedicated to business information or legal details. This is where you can view and edit your current business name. Step 4. Update your business name. Enter your new legal business name in the appropriate field. Double check for any spelling errors and ensure that the name complies with any relevant regulations or requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your business name, make sure to save the changes. You may need to confirm the update via email or notification on the website. Once you've completed these steps, your legal business name on Artlist EO should be successfully updated. Always consider checking back to ensure that the changes have been applied correctly.